Hello everyone, hello, hi, welcome to the first episode of The Math Bakers. I'm Brooklyn.
I'm Callum.
And we have special guests today. This is Michael and Aiden.
Hello.
And we are going to be baking pancakes for them.
First of all, we've got flour, eggs, salt, vanilla, something, baking powder, milk, and sugar.
The first ingredient we're going to be using is eggs. Let's do this. 1 egg, 2 egg, pop. Perfect. And then perfect. So now we're going to use half a cup of milk. There we are. Let's get it all in. There. Now let's start once again. Look at that, man. Look at that. That would be around 1 tablespoon there. Yep. So now everyone, we're going to add a full bowl of flour. There we go. Now these are looking great so far.
Yummy in my tummy.
Alright everyone, that is the end of this video. Thank you very much. Hope this helped you out a lot. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
See you guys.